Lawyer Mwakaba.
Meje also.
Naboko there.
Adom bi na adom.
Bibia so danekwam.
Danekwam pepe. So na me peno pepe.
Sana o si peno. So tu see kama.
Nyame na ye. Obi na de cheme. Also yes, also go television so. Ti beje na hye.
Aka den so ba TV so.
Who say who mo tele so. No te me ka radio so de bia. No say je na go television na hye. Mama na me ninja.
I know your idea o hye say so legal profession in your practice no sana be say Baba radio ni TV so now so that you did.
No at all. Me obi a omo me most of me law mates no they are surprised and shocked. And we be feel so they are a little bit surprised because me obi a me quiet. Me mpekasa.
Quietness
in terms of like yawo school no. Me obi a dey me back bench. Me mpo obi a me farade me farade by nature. We can't remember say mama me taught tare from mama me the mama brother she answer my share.
I hope home use.
Yeah, because me shadow me say hey why for that I feel very uncomfortable. Until me obi na me obi a me loud. No, I'm that type. But my students, my child of 5 universities. Okay. They will never be surprised with what I'm doing with my life. Because me child they no kudi bola we me amateur my dear. Now, when I teach you better because me obi a me was sense of humor.
You say Uma the channel there.
Oh, ready. Me child they no me the WhatsApp account. Oh, me child they me the WhatsApp like relationship.
And if WhatsApp.
And WhatsApp. It was one of your
nicknames.
Me na be coin WhatsApp. Right from 13 years ago. Was me school pen and me coach there. Me school pen me coach at the Central University. Sometimes me set the crap on by. Into the WhatsApp no like me can say what's up what's saying and then me the
sometimes can start social media WhatsApp
my cry me the ferry
now WhatsApp na say
na say e bia unu baby na e bia person say chale e bia me pe was say chale what's up say o kon say until what's up remember
now o some man so kon say
yes somehow because on say na me hardwin me obi an me try dia make sure they na me the man relationship abem. I say me obi a me try dey kekere bia na ma post na ma talk about relationship. Me to be post no be say who is sugar daddy.
Was it because say na obi a open mark akra na say
they be me pen mark na me obi a me was sense of humor. Me obi a yes definitely me obi a me no kasa 1 2 3 pa you obesre.
Interesting obi a offer ade na our sense of humor.
Yes that's me sadam me hear me because me obi a me hu esre. Like me no bomb me use some I know me try dia me ni try dia na me de was of benefit students pay relationship inside them no. For example me try contractor na ma can say contract what is offer now what is invitation to trade na ma can say offer yes say who obi na proposal ma no na invitation to trade no e ma na tie o pe obato nka into obey bibia ma won kasa no ado kon o dey say na wo be make offer. It's when you talk and you are talking about and to be sure come share I am so be gift
prophecy
students are much more deal 5 universities in no me class na me ji moroso a na conscience to me try there na maka say low harmony no e ma me ensa ko half sex na two benyem ampaso na bem
and what can be there na say
it's out of me I said me ji me na those things are coming. Na me to be sure for as I to be sure be na makan le suma sama kire no
and me mo ahwe come video so
yes make bebre
wo sha ase no na law profession no ya dia na da wakoma so ana to kwam
they be the be sha ase no because of mami fame oh me mami worry Ampaw was the minister of the Judicial regime
okay
Ojidin pa enti no ya wo me to sikemu but me father worry miensa no oye lodge penny ona okoti kufudia lodge
ti na dada ba
dabi me bre because me father worry ma miensa no first one you bruni ono obruni wo 4 no be worry ma me a we school amodo krom stand 7 na ni ma me we fe papa into ochi no dada ma me say woni yere
ana ma me na kan na wa na
ma me na kan say me last born many last born yeah yes 4 many last born to be be mama pa nti mama papa be rap me mama no na oni mama so wo 4 answer na Jake obi chilamte yiri se se oni no ware na wo jan se se ano em father third wife me father so DJ kiri no wo 4
na no worry Jake
me for the whip the following year no worry Jake. Oh that's and na Satan father so now 4. Now me mother side no me father because me mother jar me father na she me father. Was me mother jar no pe me mother pa.
Tonya broken heart.
Tonya broken heart no. And no time abrofo no mano any Esther mano ni akwa abuchiri.
Abuchiri go ben.
London.
Ah okay.
No mo jar yen. Enti me mama jar me papa no na me 2 years.
Wow.
Enti Mrs. no mo di del as minister. Emma. But me mama de me ko ahunye mu office 7-story building or de me ko sua sukula. E de sukula na me sha me abrabo ase wo. Enti no me ka bere say na ye dem de single room a so to ana eba. Te be me mama dan papa ko so o sita me university. Yes.
In that time be 2 years na ko si ko do university no. Na wu nyina dwen be ne wo tim fa abrabo ho.
Na me nyi no because me mother e di awro ho no. Me father ye na dwe so my chop money. But obetua your school fees but so say me mother penya me son dodo. Enti my chop money be come to correction. Enti no okom ni ya die na yekomu. Enti me be me mama enti me to me da ho I can't remember at the age of 6. Me do mama to be sora no pa. No we susa na owo Yesu Kristo mfuni and why altar. No o sisa na okobutu altar so no bompai. O susa enti now first let me face me papa ne Yesu Kristo mfuni no. Was that me who father? Yes. Was that 2 years? Tell me obi na me who me father. I didn't have father love. Me dey giant na. Me mama ba.
Okay.
Enti whom say mama su na mama peja hwe picture no na say na papa we Jesus ko. Enti no from the age 2, 3, 4 remember that sorry kwa to be quite sorry during the week. Enti what happened was that
or do
me ko. Enti the mean you know na I saw for dia dom because son I saw for no share omo kala no o dey say enti me carry at the age 7 them father remember friend in mu nya 4 2 boys 2 girls na me last born no be some say na bra born wa bre wa to nya me nya da hwe
if you on for say
me feel no friend me friend say feel no mo friend me feel no Maurice bra be so no
ti kwabna ne kodjon de ne friend
debi Maurice na mo friend me Maurice enti no me mother friend ye no na osu no be some Mr. Penny say obey deben da chi no say obey nurse de ahwe no no be some sister doctor me so also obey teacher de ahwe no no be some brother Penny obey de no so obey accountant edu me so no ma choko
unhu de obeso
yes 7 years no me hwe ma nim
na won me hu da
na my confused some be so enti be some ma say na papa na ye kwa so na ogina ho preaching no ye na no so osofo na fe da sofo bra metimu
be so osofo
yes but at the same time na fe da me say me papa oye den no sin father ye lawyer if na ma choko because na me hu say osofo no papa no me say me papa asem enti me say me ye pastor osofo
me about you interested papa da
me hu papa da
and kwa bi sukra no
me papa no me hu ni because 2 years 2 years the ojaye and one turn and chain enti no me person me yes say papa na oye Yesu Kristo mfuni no but on na me face say father ti me say me ye osofo lawyer because lawyer represent my father and osofo no represent us so na me ko
so time na why adwin bi fa se bia obi law and obi a lawyer send we di juma
no me idea it me can that to no me brothers and sisters asle me pa say what osofo a oye lawyer da it do mean you know at the age 10 57 no akono if dem da ho a na me kra bibi so precious na mami penifo bi person mu je zade no
ayedam
dey time da bia zade na me so na oboba me so na me tu akowi mu na me nante
utu
me tu
superman
yes and I mean nante perform me to be trust at the age of 7 no me trust no say me who say I say me wo dai mu no I say me nante na me zade no mami mu person mu je fi me sem na me tu ko so higher than them na me bra na me hu say aso dai ke CBC ho na makogina dan no so na dan no emu apai mienu na me be see opa na altar na me ni don bibli kasa
what dan so for preach
yes me ni don bibli kasa enti no in fact from 18 na me feel me before was minim say before na etu
but obi anu ma me kwa so dey say o senkan komo no ma me di o
dey bi na me slow because obi otu dey obi otu
na ka be yon kakran
yes enti na me pese me ka because me say before na etu But now me bon pie, me fasting. Mommy, that is all that I was doing. Until one day I me quite sorry. I am youth president at age 12.
Wow.
And I so for me, and I pastor be preaching or say, musu so daya. Na mudimika na mponchene enwan edimutia na mabre. The Bible says, "Omo we twa rade no. Obenya honfoforo, no mbe tu so korie."
Now say me am say no okay.
No say spiritual strength. And no, me use president for the 10 years. Me win all school me ko bia me school chaplain lab.
At the age of 12, who should say a day na so fun hu omo a youth president at that age.
Na if them start say me preach Sunday school. Me teach for Sunday school. If me teach na yes nko. Once me kasa you listen.
Ubete ase ana say uba me dey ofam ntino start to become part of
me who say who be afame na at that time me to no one day me to me go gina ho no me preaching no daim no me preaching na Jeremiah chapter 1 verse 5 up to 19 any quotation it me sorry pe me kai pe no say bra won na yemu na me nimu na ufi wu na yemu no na me I set you apart.
And I said 29:11.
Yes, Nabi, chapter 1 verse 5.
Oh, sir.
Jeremiah, chapter 1 verse 5. Entino,
we are youth president for
that is what. Entino, youth president no. Now me preach entino. Me call Legono Vanda. Me call Vanda Christian Association. Me so be a vice president wo.
Okay, na we do for the fire school entino.
Yes, school no. Yes, me call school no. Me call what friend say. My Joseph preparatory school Zongo. It was Zongo. Zongo.
That's what the house kakra.
And I be me mingle with Hausa for ne, I be for ne nkran for no. Into me tra let be a question, especially schooler.
Okay.
Into no na me neighbors ne Hausa for I be Choko Mamplubi any we know. See that's why I grew.
How far money dey kakra?
Because I have to survive. It's what to eat.
The second 1 to 5 need
school. What did I say? Let me call Laboni school.
Okay.
In the chaplain. We call law school me a chaplain.
In our parents those days, what second you so now a crispy.
Yes, let me a crispy. No man for boy. Michima.
One for girl.
No for girl. I didn't date. But my mom told me because what happened was that I didn't need to impress.
Then I a fine boy.
I want Mr. Mama pa. Mr. Mommy, Nini. Let me find father.
When you see a come. Nothing won't forget.
No man for girl be but my wife now.
What was it because you now person we now person side between our name.
Na spiritually na me so strong. Say na eno na wo mitim na first na otabane we fin say Danka Williams almost start this wave of charismatism. Almost could be preaching almost say Jesus Christ back in them. Engineers have just seen the baby we so we caught up with that vision. Say yes we be going to na bibia ya adija de mama. I saw everything as vanity. Because city we fin say e be Bombay. Was that me say Jesus Christ be here. When him say be kwasori ama me call women's fellowship niya. Yes, no come women's fellowship.
I come women's fellowship.
Say anytime that I want to go to the father's house.
Ti babia.
And I me John Ban me bo organ ne konka me tonum.
Chata nyana mfa obada.
That be let me preach against fornication. I'm very strong. And you know, they saw that potential in me, and then I consider that way. And to me, baby, I me fall. Me share seen what for the same Legon. And now I was so matured.
All I was saying.
Now me were level 200. What youth person in film team? I became peeved. Youth president. Also for no now just for not the banner swinging. So person the banner be youth president. And to be called school no me cool me.
Cool no me anything.
So me by now your elections yes also for that power one nominating the bad no say fit na come youth president.
Until election one
election all point here say Ampaw e go school. Until no school no to me ban youth president. To me by na Yaudi be say youth president me this no. Until I became peeved and any mafia here. Was not me tell so them but na Yaudi be mu. So idea you made na dey waje film same. That is why I started falling because if na my canal.
How was the first step like? Say?
It was terrible for me because I became very, very dangerous because me tell so them but na my canal. Yaudi.
Now person say okay. I did so for you to me say me yadi we na me ye man shino and I say
no say me friend me to me pom pipe you to me kai Bible. I am saying yes, I am saying me friend so na omo jiji bom so prezo into na homa so I can kai ba me mu no if my week if na ma wiai na o touch me say o touch omo.
Who was the first girl I would touch?
My wife, me breaking the virginity.
Walk us through the process. Then.
Oh, my wife, me who know at the age of 14.
Now, or you be out when you tell China so now.
They be at the age of 14 now. Now me to be quite busy secondary school because afternoon session. Now me about 19. Into me go school we know bridge be war. Zamama line. Me go through bridge na my wife e ko tonwo. Na me nye hu no pe na me yem jirim.
No any.
Me so no me for bad dem. Na me say oba be na twa me hu. To be twa me chi. Within 5 minutes me hu be of fire.
Okay.
Me to go school me gina ho se me twa me so be ba. Wamba na me ko fie. I started hunting for my wife. That means my wife. So say Ransford Banini, footballer no.
Yeah.
My wife don't my Banini chili banano.
Oh, to
Banini ball. Na me so be ball. And you know one day na you coach training.
Bobo yencha mu ana say.
Hey, that be I was a strong striker. I was a striker. Serious one. Me boss school team me ball has babies. Coast. Me a striker. And you know many Ransford Banini a fit training na ye ko fie no say na my wife no ni fie na ye ko ti hu npa na me yem hie no na ni wife ne ma me nso say no ni me mu frase no say Maurice obeba ma sorry na me say mama me ko so wo me di my wife ma me chi ko sorry na ni wife ne ma me no so ne papa yesu de ni a ono so owo camp oni time man wife enti de ma me ne fa me enti asori de mo bia ni say me wo sugar mami enti ma me no fa me no de me bata me wife no na me na me start me check my wife opia just a minute pie but sometimes so me to be seen the
first time on the share mo bon common e say ni sikoye
those days no and say ne what do one okay can say me sweetheart but to be to me my wife must see the part to tell me worry me to be anka because you be Christian father and Christian sister say che o dey say
ana oni din kita hu bia wo adwe mi tachi
debi na me of me find the same sister but they do table na me ya really go na prefer my jealous not to know only go sisters for be father say no don't know okoto nyu so na so for no ese ne pe no be catch them
na ye wo ya
be catch them na me so me to be se ne pe but na me na nante me brias me sister ketwa na ni mother so ewu ye ntino me mother be father say
mama ni wi
ewu na me mother be father my wife say me ba to be a family friend. So that's how we got married.
But now you are enjoying a company because who are in Kabimano?
Yeah, definitely. I do tell me now. I realized that only my wife because I saw say I was at peace with honor and I feel so or a good girl. Oh yeah, I said that me could deep bonds and money no. And then me find chami.
I didn't buy.
Oh, I say how long can you resist a beautiful girl? Oh, for almost about 8-9 years now. Me say me do for no, but between touch no.
But also na or da suban bia di ma hu say
they be wonder or you innocent but so or you virgin na me into no sometimes na me virgin papa baby
but the kind extra class
they be too much yeah but I think say
because so wife nya oba odi kan on no yes I dey no
oh they be mama ni papa oh na mama ni papa those days so say mama papa any sex oh mama ni papa some kwala mama ni papa ni dey
so na the president at the age of
they be o satan na pemu mama papa na yenye no president no 3 4 5 6 that 5 6 no o mama pia o say many mama many papa those days so na
say na you fan kan ho
kan ho ntino the wife na breaking virginity
ntin common chance say o person break at the end say and at the end say na name si kona so
dey bible say dwane dwamambo but me nwane
to make a kushia
they be say me first say minimum no and for about 7-8 years no me na nante ya anya hwe they do tell me na me university no manyin ono so we dey about 20 something years na can you imagine say both of you come oba me dem e be da ho e hwe television
oba say oba ne bra ho
oba me ma me ho no oba me ho e be da oba hwe television o dey say na o me wife so no fe o kama nti o da ho a
ti one day now say what's up
they be manye I feel now tare no o tare no abu wa na fe na tare na ko tare
did that day what happened
me no me ho because no me ferry here when you make love with a virgin moje be ba no I felt so uncomfortable and my nebium because it's like what have I done
yeah attempt to resist they
be no permission we are more than brothers
me bra
they be o pay me permission until there's nothing she could do and so no we got married but the challenge is say you worry no for 10 years into me wo
true
you worry for 10 years into me wo until no nyame hu say after 10 years nyame surprise with
after we share say now but what friend saying
Offend Evelyn, Mrs. Evelyn Ampaw.
Any official one. Yeah.
Offend Evelyn. Evelyn.
Evelyn from say, hey, oh, Brad.
Offend Evelyn.
What my first saying?
You were twins, one boy, one girl.
I want to your papa.
Yeah. Me papa. Na. I'm
how many years?
8 years.
They said, "What me a post?"
And that's how I have started. You know, law no dear. In fact, I didn't want to become a lawyer, but me, you know, because now as of dealing with me, I could see say ministry. But me fairly O level no. And I remember the book you say minimum dear, but ministry dear. Talk of Okofa remedial mame. And I me remedial student. Me better they could choose subjects. Me better after 6 form no call yes. Local far from not feeling law, political science and sociology. Nobody can say, this is what I want to do because me, I can't. My sister Penny, a nurse, and I need Chibano, marketing. And you know, or me law, na imbalance. It's a bit better than impose law.
Why object it?
There be some no term school fees be a mammy. Certain father on no term school fees be a mammy. And no catch me say, obey law. I have no option.
You saw successful and Kawunya, yeah.
Before God, no, Minyanka, Minyanka. But that's my calling. Yes, I can see it. You are spiritually minded, that spiritually, you see, say the call of God is upon my life.
So, no responsibility to answer them.
Yeah, I disappointed my mom because that mom him say, I'll be a pastor. And I can tell you if I was a pastor, and I don't think, say, Otabane, or when they say, that I wouldn't say women. I'll be like them or more than them. Yes. No, you see my vim, my charisma.
But said that is not what we want.
No.
Sir, as somebody there was say would chakra the
now be about 7 years no me for me. Now can be maintaining that momentum. Don't know what God will do with me. And I'm in trouble. It mean as I say it as it is.
It's about nature and son out here.
Yes, that is what has influenced me. Look, Ubi Samia, Uba became one gospel songs. And there is any time be able to say, sorry, now maybe Kasa will radio should be near. No one knew me no ameto. Back on, I say, Sawudo, Wawu Radi, Wakumani, Wadinina, Nasewu, Do Wunyoku, Udo Wunya. Sawa Sasasi Dani Butu Bipo Tutu Kotu Pumunkwa Mensuro Oka. That's my motivation. The two things. Say Udo Nyamina only me fibi na be mono. Say me don't know. Na me dominu me make sure say me ni ntem no. Asumdwe wo ho na me da adwen pa mi so hwe enti mi so no enti na Ghana asem bia bebe bia no ampa ka me second we no song no asem bi ara mi kind no ati bi ara mi ye anka se mi bisa sebe ya Yesu fe anka se mi bisa se Yesu kanu sa ana so obe mami humpa Yesu yes ana. That's my guidance principle. So after I've prayed these two prayers, no, it gives me spiritual protection, and then it guides me in my relationship. So whatever I say on air, I'm not you can't stop.
You don't just say it because you want.
No. Those who find me controversial are those who cannot stand it. You see. When
but who saw you controversial?
No, I'm not controversial. What I do is that I challenge status quo. Things that are not known, things that people fear to say, people who are scared, people who want favors. People want favors. People are scared. People are scared of insult, attack. People are scared of people telling you that, oh, you are too low, you are attention seeker. Now who is attention seeker? You see, so people, when you were called by God in your mother's womb, they were not there. So they don't know the mission and what God have appointed you to do. It is because God appointed me, set me apart for a purpose. That's what I'm doing. So you were not there. So I don't expect everybody to understand me. And you know, when I have those two say together, Emma me bold. means Roshi. Nagabet Patakla Samajan. Do you know how spiritually strong Samajan is? And cannot Patak Chief Justice. But Anas Asame by and make a Jesus should resign. Almost like the Muslim. And then another Sabe Bay make a side against MPP. Me one MPP, me don't MPP. But
we are MPP member.
No, me member. Me not member. We say my father was one of the founding fathers. Judicial Ampaw. Or a minister during bizarre regime. Now call him J. Kufo.
Okay.
But no, your minister.
President.
Yes, former president. No, your minister of health. No, not J. Kufo, a deputy foreign minister. Now those who before that Akwala or Teteno. Must before that. And the MP for Chibi Wakwa. So now do so. And me for that. Now do be me for that idea. What do I say? And I'm a person with rapport now 2000. Now me 6 prizes. Ewo Ghana Law School. Now was the minister of health. Also, me say not chairman. Or say, are you the son of Judicial Ampaw? Say yes. Or say come and see me. Man, go. Was not remember that the who say politics. Any area a very dangerous, deadly.
It's now true.
No me because no me can't do. And politicians won't be a kind of politicians are scared of people who expose so easily. Who you be a one how who can pa, they don't like people like that. No, I think be anyone maka me no me home because of the guiding principle. I said me come me look at the and say in some of for example be a into me cano me research the law now. Now my the anointing come one now me the him. And for example, yes, it would what every statement about your piano. I say it and people say, hey, Papa. Okay, so for example, me say only Obada na utitima a criminal offense. We say no, so controversial. Me boa
only Obada na tete mo.
Obada mu tete mu na anu dia a criminal offense offend sexual nuisance. Who say other person make say abape ba. But that law na me kire no. Boss say they a nuisance ah. No, it's come from a nuisance. Who will be done to mean that? A nuisance.
Also got to fear.
What I say, for example, we say a bit of table said that nano of rape, no, affecting member, no, but so no by radio muna, no be anyone, no, you know, so we repeat. How do you different say consent form? They able to me and Kayanya form here. That is, these are controversial things. People say that, no, I am power. What do I say? Everything that I've said, it looks controversial to those who cannot stand. They believe in like, oh no, I said we no you didn't cancel.
About free law school, so free law school on a very good note.
Very, very
6
good.
awards.
Yes, very, very good. What did I say? Oh, me best student in company law.
Wow.
And to Nanado, that's where Nanado that me. And if I want to be a politician, I can say me a minister because Nanado saw me and said, lawyer, bra, what do we check picture you know? So I should know him. What do we check picture? Look, I say, I want to see you at the Attorney office. Mama, because I was scared. Law come. When many was going to say, Satan, for close pen, or maybe I'm a lawyer, for that year, Judicial Ampaw, but sacrifice MPP. Come, let me take you to President Akufo-Addo. I didn't go. Me were down so my area. They are calling me to overthrow Sarah Oslamusu. I didn't.
Parliament.
Yes. Oh, there's NDC. Mutala Muhammad. Brahma election petition. They came to see me. Closer to. I didn't go.
I said, let him petition and now they do with him.
Definitely. So who could with friends say television station.
Who share? I didn't see nothing. We be break a moment.
David. Satam na me David. Me we law school no. Na nyam so mu mu. Mmobro mu. It be law school no. Na me team Legal Advocacy Foundation. Na me ko intrasi ko free legal aid and clinic for the poor. It be boy it the board identify me my doc no. Obey Krabia CB. Yes. Obey here program me mama no hu say me chire ma on my legal right. Na me free program. Obi anto because nobody knows me. That's my passion.
For you fresh.
Me fresh.
Now only source of income.
No, yes. Certain me lecture we friend say Central University.
Okay.
Me we law school na one Central University. Me leisure time no. Every weekend be anu two coin. Na me here legal outreach. And nobody knew. It moment do could identify me no or be back television one day. No say papa we okay be me here for. Not me a program. Never me call radio station. And that program here na no do call politics more. I need
no choice of them.
Yeah, choice of them. No. Okay. So I was doing a program with him. No, what I say. And you know, about Sunday I came back on a quiet note. Me NGO, Jumana, na me there in 5 universities. Me lecture no part of my court. You point my lecture back. Na me NGO, na me cases me for. And you know, me students, I'm much sure my no. Me share media law Most of all the organ be me students war. If you have about 5 students, all over including people around and one student in the leadership petition was Maurice Ampaw. It's so lovely. And offer me say leadership petition by that almost per panelist, but lawyer be away from the say I didn't your life. Contempt. Can say yeah. Now me say no problem here. And other make activity. You do that activity.
Na obey because now we need to be free more balance.
No, na area me obi a me ye church for. Obi o preach me too much there ma what I break down things to the ordinary level. It is that passion to teach. It is say this is the time to educate Ghanaians.
That aspect say one China contempt a question
No, because of my guiding principle. I say be Americano. Because I sing those songs and empowered me. Mr. Holy Ghost take over. As I go to explain the leadership petition, he bias film. Now I mention that the ordinary Ghanaian and feeling on the until I see. That was my passion.
Okay.
And if you could tell TV3, no, everybody watch me, no, you couldn't see where I belongs to. And TV3 was so surprised. Me said, no, I don't need anything. Me share how they set up. Me say I don't need a lawyer to come and interview me. Look for a man. He was not a lawyer. Let's talk like the ordinary Ghanaian. No, and you know what happened was it was a difficult thing because maybe see that there's no book to read, there's no book to research. Judges not come here case because they are confused. They don't know the procedure. They don't know the law. And you watch here, they were struggling to know how to proceed. Now who can be any president? Now there is the technical language. Now who explaining? It was not easy. To be because the mom said, "Ma'am, they ain't running commentary than doing legal education."
And remand.
Yeah, remand. Let run commentary. Would there be some seminal? That is where Vim started say ba. And Omo studio no say Omo contentious issues ba. Omo breaker. No ma chong with the outcome. No ma reasons ba. So some of them told that now they that come from me. No on me can and we say there be someone them no say no. And I discuss most of the things out of camera, like camera move off no. No ma chong say this ruling no. There's what will say A, B, C, D, and do to be that come, and the vote will be say Ampa.
Say when you're excited, we shall come. Some moment in the bayana.
Yes, that moment in the like my pen, na my donor mayor. Never done and the person me once I mean MPP for me disappoint to be to me influence me. Officers and Cadanadomo, MPP come musica. Say quiet analysis now. Kebi maye. And now the president the mama na ska o muchempa like on otiso. If I
on otiso na say o musa na ska on nsam.
O say now we president they are challenging no. They say they were in power. And na Mutala be hu me say aka president person me special me omo fa me say I say a resource person to educate the
in the course of the election.
Election course me explain no. Also for my for so frame me. Lawyer Paul. Me we NGO. I want to be the coordinator. You have to mention names. People were calling me. I can say I'm doing well.
I shall say we NGO say Sikana Bansa market say so this lucrative and attractive
because I didn't want to be influenced. And that's why I've remained. You see, I've done so much for MPP. Most of my now NDC people were not happy. This I don't know. Since those time I've never gone to Nana. Yeah, election in the main corner that. Me MPP for, me NDC for. I want to be neutral. That gives me the strength to speak. Because you see, don't two sides, one share now, why you completed it. And I quite remember that when I said Dr. Adukufo was the one who called me. Papa, let me now. After that, she petitioned no frame me. I was a lawyer. My wife was saying, now be there's some aroma. Or you see the word aroma. Me who say now be now you're focused on what we are doing. That's what the man told me. One can't discuss him, and I left. Said that's it.
Yeah. Was experience when you first day election petition over TV so.
Now, maybe I know. Now me who say the you want to into no. I said very cautious. It's because Herring say yes, starting running comment. Ghanaians omunim who is a lawyer, who is a judge. The problems you go through.
Producer.
That's the thing. You can say man. And the person yes the same. To watch I won't share no. Now me obi na me kasa na me yes the same. What I say na me me can say judge to come ko chele. Omo for mo yene ko. because my bread.
It's not person be
and everybody watch me. You just love it because I was just ranting.
But on hindsight, none in BBC.
Yeah, I do tell me who said them tell me who they be seen here. I do tell me I saw say it's not possible for President Nana-Addo to because some transit. Am I election now the EC who represent the executive. Ever declare will be president. Now before election petition ever cause now the judiciary headed by the chief justice accompany is also actually you say you have been sworn in as president. Who was the third arm of government do you judicial coup?
No sir, the legal procedure now cost with them hono. But do baby now so the finance and
yes, you say and yeah judiciary be over 10 minutes. I was calling say next time election petition ba mo case you answer na you are swearing the president. But you cannot swear in the president and then who your case say we are judiciary declare say opposition win. So if you want a genuine election petitioner Kenya for style within 3 weeks let's hold on to the swearing in. Yeah, swearing it is swearing.
No, you better declare state of emergency and never the status quo.
Yes, and maybe as a chief justice for the meantime, obey acting. What do you say? Now within 1 month, you did something you know. After they say when they win, you go swear. But what was president in 2 minutes the same. Now we are the following day, no, the same justice no. The court, I say, oh, president because so win you can. I don't know win here.
That's all. And yes, I didn't count. It's gonna be different.
In fact, NPP won.
Oh, really?
Yes. That is no. It was 7-2. They want information. Oh, my friend, they started changing their minds. Like
who would tell that idea of changing? Why not this idea?
No, it's like say MPP won 7-2, but problem is say out of the three judges no, I'm going to be CDP. 2, Achim Nana-Addo, MPP. 3, Achim, 2, Achim President Mama. Obama Kano were divided. Ebu say yanko to view. Muslim 20, those were divided, look at the problem. Then they said there was division. Okay, said another planner, on 25 president, young council money be there to be. That was to say, yes, meaning, sir, Nana-Addo case near, but you need evidence, says we know better over 10. So the 4 no created problem. That weapon is a 3 created problem. It is almost banana did done into 5-4.
Yes,
that is where Amu said delay by.
No,
because there was problems. The other people didn't understand why things have changed this way. If they will not come and sit. So there was the tension by.
Tension by. Was there any word from the other council presidency? Didn't they remember a rep of Nana-Addo?
You see, the president. John Mama has got to know the outcome. Yes, it's no much white no.
One of the Kimano.
Oh, now Obia na offenders or your president here. What did I say? Now a person say offenders say just to go back ne Kenzeno. Offenders say
Raymond
Tukuba. What did I say?
So just personal information to Nekazen.
You need to be kind of as a matter of fact. But I see the perception. Out there say uncle. What did I say?
Professor Wafa never cause
and the first this is a governing power. The governing power before be power onya.
Enti Nana-Addo he no he say ade no say na ba.
Nana-Addo no opedi bi frɛ no. What can I say minia ko say. Enti before Nana-Addo be call about track any mu no driver court no.
Anopa na catch na.
No outcome no. You catch the day before.
Say kan na say me tell me kwa me kan.
What can you say Nana said the baby afanesa because adi yejima wa adi basasa beba opedi mu pe wo memu adodo na koma
ene omoni di
enti no iboni di before na corona or ya we but na so man the teacher for no some that is why immediately o ye no or accept here o watch here immediately very buy part of the conference then say he went there to hold the conference not even to listen to the verdict. He went there with a prepared note to go and tell the people that look, I'm accepting the verdict. No one did that. And there were people around him or catching on. So I didn't call you about 5-4. That is why you saw a lot of mistakes in the verdict because there was problems among the judges because at the end of night for 5-4, for 4-5 or 5. I didn't quite say is it 5-4 or 4-5 because the way I ruling it by dismiss, overvoting. So the who say 4-5, 5-4, and I feel so. Pardon, members Lucano Wabakudin.
Ghana.
Yes, it was the first case.
Before the dreams say to Tony Maya to tell Ghana after 9 o'clock.
Oh, there be no meaning say and because that store say Nanado was matured and Nanado president did. Yes, no meaning say or president did na. Who say otubiji to me man advantage and ebuano. Say Nanado was strategic. Only I say, oh you so when no strategic say me pay okay 5k me mama anko na me jin tumu na sad tag no all that be that tag no end up down. And that made the trick. It's only Jim who did to prevent that win elections. That's why I started predicting. Go say by 2014, I started predicting before this when I say predictors as of Kano. Google may come. I say Mama will lose. I say Ghana for
now with the legal brain. I say with
the legal brain and I mean really political atmosphere. I say Ghanaians after every 8 years, they were 20 hours. And the president from 92 to 2000 to every 8 years Ghana for system because you see opposition never wins an election in Ghana. It is the ruling government that loses elections because who are ruling government from the world go no who start to lose votes
because opposition
and I don't get 1 million difference. I bet share by about 500 because Nanondo after winning elections no was starting hurting Kofo
better.
In the Onimo, said Kofo say, oh, appointment, no more position. And I said, oh, appointment now, we say, when I break, Padamano, when I break, now we can't, Wabre, Mamano, never Obi Wa break. Masabi, or no to be Colobi. And you know, now I turn off, oh, Munamo Bre. And you know, and if your proposition be the power for Nako, DC, the power of God or 2-1. Say no, I disappointed. And what is going to happen is that one manage that situation well. By 2020, no, because you are the government, every policy be a decision about Yebiano, affecting the people. Now NDC don't do decision. Tomorrow, and say, what's about that? All that's the campaign. And Ghanaians are not going to listen to the NDC. But NPP party, full soldiers and sympathizers, and with what is happening with the data force. They will start thinking twice. In the table, one man this question you are 2020 do or the someone amakoji appointment. And so you have apathy votes. Apathy setting up in everything. Never so NDC for 4 years no accommodate. It won't say about Jinjom. Charlie, MPP for no buff. It is a Kenyan kakra. It will be a shock. So 2020, if they're not doing go for and transit. You see, I was expecting another to appoint people not based on who helped me and who I know.
And who regional balance.
It should be based on merit. At times, if you bring people, there are people when you bring on board, the people who are now where none do them no. But if you start giving people whether party follow the pressure to the soul, boy, till the man, and those who help in the campaign. I will be and I will appoint you. Then those who did not come close to you, was to move for. It was a 2020 elections. Those people who were first, only 2 months, they have joined the opposition. But some opportunities because say Uber power one kind of almost time we could do another opposition, almost somewhere stronger, no more opposition. So we are killing it. Every government be able to lose. That is why I said another way we need so about 2020. Who was a vote budget?
What is uncle?
Minim na meka so obekwa vote margin be te now by 2024 no MPP be lose at all cost after 8 years.
That is a lawyer who should Ghana for year to about the society dream.
Yes, say you must say yeah kofu bia politicians no omu hia de and they will never learn. And this MPP omu hia de see because you be talk about momo they have this posture you be sumi house to house omo kasa nko omo ni ye nko o fie kro obedu onu bedi wache o dey say hey o better the fie na open to everybody. The president goes to every part of the country. The party forces are there. They come to you, look, one more chance no mo didi omo ameme omo ye for kese ye dey say Otu abane mo pa. Oni obi obebe so mo. No obebe so mo no TV8 mu. Na wo ye be so mo no onam form. Eti president obe begi obe beggar. Ade be begi wie no. Ye to abane wie pede se ne hene. Ni am no go area. O dey say na party for start here. Ye ne ye bre ye ya band abaso. So that arrogance, posture and conduct of the presidency plus appointees plus MPP party sympathizers no who are not Ghanaians. Yes, say 4 years member.
Who calculate about 8 years there MPP
MPP cannot win out to be transferred 12 years. Many campaigns every 8 years behind even 4 years. And I tell you, President Nanado, over winning elections and your promises. Promises don't win elections. And yet, the promises are what and then the Ghana for better, and the conduct, and the party for conduct, and the conduct of the appointees. Because we see, then said there is no way out in life. I will say, who pass a resolution, who pass a resolution, in paying to be this. Yeah, ambitions in life they need this. Every time I disappointed, I can be also for, and then I'm
disappointment in him. You still have life.
You are still young. Oh. Maybe 50 years. So 49. Oh, now obey your Juma in the youthful days. My Bob Brambo, but this time, may ye more. It don't be surprised.
2014, you say, and this about to South Africa, Cababuanca, Ghana, and Sunkosuka Krakra, all of them.
I didn't want to. I don't want to be serious position. I don't want to.
Call the bar, say who called you?
Oh, Mustafa Mutala,
Deputy Minister for Trade and
Industry. Yes, we'll discuss one or two things and many more. That's why you cannot talk about it. Many more. Oh no, it's like I don't want to engage in active politics. It's because I'm Wame. And you know, I'm not even looking for appointment. Me rejected. I love what I'm doing. But on the quiet note, who sa frame say mbeboa madua mbeboa but say me front runner minister of no and now we no
because who should say your politics you lose some of your following
Debbie yes I want to appeal to NDC and MPP because we human rights activists la and now we will be a who kasa me here for now MPP and NDC for say me more followers in NDC even than MPP yes most of the MPP NDC form people near madam for minimum to say didi on NDC for more than MPP. MPP phone don't bear me.
I see.
Yes. You have to obey you. They don't even call me to say Maurice Ampaw what to say. No, and this MPP4 from Nanado to see order. They have not even called Maurice Ampaw. Tell them what's up. Because at least apart from say when they say ufiachem. Apart from say who have NDC I shall come and they'll clap to honor. Not even the call to congratulate you.
Now, I didn't hear anyone. I say you're just.
Oh, definitely an influential person. I'm very influential. You can't take it away from me. Obi or Kasa media picked no. Now we're part about on purpose.
I call it good lawyers. They don't talk.
Yes.
They don't give access to the media.
No. You see, things are changing. The status quo. You see, that's the mistake.
When you talk, we use the media to your advantage.
No, man, you should be there. No, the media changes Maurice Ampaw. Or the penny who program is so. Mr. Gofono. I've not begged. Did I beg for you to come? No, that's what I do. No. I don't beg. Every day, Biamenya radio station say from about 20. Media house about 8 or 9 to appear on their network. I'll go. Me research it. And flow naturally. That's why a lot of people can. Obi catch us a research. I don't. Me didn't flow naturally. But me go school no. Because school no. They will tell you. No must be before. I don't write note. I don't write note. Me need letter note to say as a lawyer. And I did so mean sure most of the things I may you know me be a good writer. Me patch yes, that's why I can be books baby. Now be a makoya letter petition. About this substance can be book.
Now I demand Sonia Samoja about Kujina court.
Now the wajan shroom.
I don't know.
They told so many say me wanu kwanafa. Oh say normally no. As a maja moon say as a maja ye ni brother eh madam for bafoja and I didn't say me turn brother and a two as a maja jan you be a me share the 1-on-1 say on anybody that on me girl on ya me admire no minimum from Liberty small boy Bra Obobo with liberty.
Professionals.
Yes. Let me call Amaliza. How many people did me fufu the benku? And you Samajan. Also, it has Samajan come from me age of 49 years. No, I am a young man, the firstborn. I tell you something. It is a reward age of 18, 19 years. I can firstborn. No. And you know, me any we know problem pa eba ni say Castro yira na ye bi mu express opinion say ye invite them because uno be 19 na pa yira we first suspect and the media they telling me say arrest Asamoah because Asamoah is popular you know for sensationalism so the ya story be cost strong you know
and Asamoah
loyal pass says arrest Asamoah let me back say Dobby why do you arrest Asamoah me say invite there's a difference between arrest and invitation. And we are suspect and just one way. Maybe two way. Oko police station about 6 cases. Me a suspect. Police for two are friendly. I'm not control my statements. Even you sue me office. I did it for day. In Kofobia omutupai. Anyway, yes. So I was invited by the police. And me control me myself. Kofodo call bosomso ko bodia. And I bosom catch him say, "Hey, no Ampaw, don't go there. He's innocent. We use the spiritual children. Also he's innocent. Or claim me." What do I say? Asamoah ni in-law na Anthony. Uko nasi. Uko where or you powerful. Only mocha de ejuma. Yes.
Or you comfort.
Only mocha de ejuma. What do I say? Madam for papa no. Or chemisika.
What have you comfort no?
You trust you when they say St. Francis Hotel.
Asamoah some no dey see your bem.
Cash to asem no. E buy no na me ko share madwen.
O kan wie ye.
Me kan wie na Ghana for antie ma say I don't know, Mr. One Chas Samajan. Now, Samajan first say, my esposo no. Me cheche moi, Oman Chassi.
A friend, one, why a friend on behalf of Samajan? Let
me obey a friend. Let me get a friend. And I need no 1% story, no, a jam, you know. What happened is that your friend will be because you're a friend, Samajan. Now, that's why I said, Loyal Power, I accuse you. Say, Unim. Cash would say, yes, Unim because only last person. Me no meet you you be from me fee say your party abana mamba uni mu bi so nya uni me gas na oyeye we gana for ntiase enti ye kan ye na kodu be bi no na okosumi wo court me da so court o sumi court say me na me say okum Castro that's how Samaja court o say
it's not like say we be cancel
no that be enti no later that Janet Bandu parents be who me say me kebi ma ne ba no because Obia kebia ma Castro. Enti Janabadu parents be who me na speak research wada na mu say nyama bebre a lawyers now call Asamoah lawyers no ba be kai press conference no bebre intro. Ebi ni say almost say Janet Bandu on akasa no call homo
girl on Castro
yes girl no almost say girl no Janet Bandu dey call na Janet Bandu call no on ko high 5 million hotel. To the general Kasa, led by we say girl Abeta. Abeta Samajan girlfriend. Abeta there's Samajan girlfriend. No friend in the band to say Charlie, I've been Charlie Kofunefi. Saturday I bought we say Yako Brazil. I'm $100,000. 20. That's kind cash when they crack. Cash will come on the bag. One for money, brother. What you say? You know, offer again Charlie I've been Brian Chile. On the girl no coy. As a white girlfriend, when I say
Alberta.
And you know, who can say Alberta dear or Baho Munimo? Now, better Casa Coco Hine, Minia and Oba Breno, Obe Fi Accra. So, Oko, what is Adan on his own, Sikanoko High will tell 5 million. I'll be a sponsor. What I say? Never I say, the power coin if only Castro. And I will say, I was say, as a Majan who say, I was say, Land is as a Majan, I will say, oh, sorry if just kids no so we say we conflicting first almost who say what to and I will say omo coy of when say triple niano nipa 13 15 or coy no police na interrogate omo coy no omo obi afa the back no we call 3-4 months and I better peace FM like I say police be am fair no e be say no asem but as say be about now quarantine nipa 14 include Asamoah
to obi anu ba
to obi room I come here where is Castro with chair Obo be say don't say nipa 14 in ano obi be break it down I can just say this actually happened ya trust o memu na police for far marry police for no go di fried rice and chicken any wine marry for police for no mo hwemi a omo ko try omo fa boat na no ko twen ahwe ya fra ba donkro
omo go you bia
me ko ma ona no bufu yi say police for no born the car because almost that now room back here that they are supposed to go down there 50 million a month. 1,500 a day.
A night.
Now police for 2 3 weeks. Now much aquafa.
I'm going cash through.
Now I'm going wine. And you know, me call now the guys say Lawyer Ampaw. Me bre. At what cost? How many people guys police for mu diablo. Ni pa no mu so to nsu no mu. Now police for me 30th June, 30th September. Me person say makoye wo. Adan any girl no ni confirm mama information no. Say mama out. O man na asamaja lawyers to be a press conference before 30th June. And the police for so be a press conference no say, "O me to South Lawyer Ampaw." Na di onim.
Wala
And me call police station, homicide unit. Me go do a power Lawyer Ampaw, you know, some way there. Tobo, some people want there Tobo. Yan 7 years and 1 day.
Sir, legally, 7 years, they declare why.
Up to now, information medical more mono. Obi am frame me. Na Ghana for so yedi. Na samaja achi na court.
No, about court also, but if he say cash to the accident is see, and then go for cover up.
Who told you it's an accident?
It's just an accident.
People say accident, but we don't know. So don't say accident. Alleged accident. Well, accident is a mystery. Alleged. And I went to the Anthony. I said, Anna, tell her what they were being. I said, yes. I said, Anna, oh, whom in I said, na makasa already so man na didi matem no nim say me. O didi ma or respond no didi matem. Enti Michelle of police station me ka say nana eh na me na o say lawyer wo na okasa no. Oh lawyer la. Oh sorry. Na me say nana o say yenja mu nka enja na kaso yakwala.
Sana na ka.
Yes. Kaso yakwala wa ira. He said that's what response. But I was telling him that who are being to be your mystery, no? Can you help? No?
So you have for obedience.
And I was not interested. Let me try so. And I saw the police too was not interested. Let me try so.
To what you movie say? What happened? What really happened?
Police was a minidin. Oh, I can't be bringing you. Na kaso mami wife. Coffee no. Mami no you. You be deep poor bono. What does so ma? Mamma was that cash donation? No. Mumbisa Sabaja say, then I would have come mamma. But mamma. But yes, money. We are can't say who now cash to you. But at least show sympathy. No. Because can you almost say, or bribe ne papa? No. I'm saying that as somebody buy no muku who cash to. Ebusa for Jenabando Busa so munko ye. Is that how you do things? So no be bad to find where we are. Show concern.
Was there any attempt to send Emma bribe no account or two?
I come not to know. You can't stop me because
I make attempt call Biama say a lawyer you're talking too much. If you have some job,
Debbie. I think Nana Tony Moon or catch him so may relax. Nana Tony or catch him so may relax. And then may relax and the police follow. I'm catching a lawyer. I'm going to you. It will be a Mekasa. A better justice to you. That is why I kept quiet. In Ghana for and there's a Lawyer Ampaw. I promised 30 from information. Information to come police. And my police force came to acknowledge. Say I've been there. All my can said they know where Castro is. Don't be anyone. Police for too far from me. Pay. Now me call. If I could draw. Let me go for police for them. I'm going to interrogate them.
You should interrogate people.
Maybe someone said Juma when you're not saying Juma.
What was he saying?
They were looking at me. But I'm being truthful. Who can police for? Almost feeling me, Papa. Ghana police for. Almost feeling me too.
Because who team interrogate you?
That be me can quarry. Obia open the quarry. Bia o should be bia no. Yes, o wa hu fi wo mu. Yes, o wa demon wo mu.
It is a open credit. Why not come out to the truth?
No. You see, I was helping. We were helping to unravel the mystery. Everybody tried. When I came out, people were trying to say, look. I'm denting somebody's image. So the police says, no, Ampaw, we are taking a risk. It's in Ghana for 7 years. We are cash to the bandu. They say, you could have 3 years old.
4 years ago.
And are we serious as a nation? A celebrity. And it will be buying up to now. And people, a bit with different rice and chicken. Different rice and chicken. And ma, they are you forgot. And then for the police for moving forward. So I am so many there. You
lawyer, what's that for? Some that says in Castro movie or
now in the Castro.
What's it?
Yeah, say Castro movie. Maybe say Castro. So what does Castro movie? Obia say Castro movie.
No way.
That's the question. Moving to police for almost a
now who's so way?
Me see police for Kobe some way. Once information about the common almost over from the public some information about the Bia Juma A B C D you know the to know yapem more blah that
so when you put the information now on Sakani together, you can conclude that as someone giant any baby Castro.
No, I can conclude that they know like they know how the thing happened. What did I say?
What happened?
Like
the alleged accident.
Yes. How? But they are not being the people who went are not being truthful. I say Bia, me waha, na baba mona, ejatum, na mashi, na enyum na ye. But you
trying to cover
the story. I didn't hear. That's what I'm talking about.
That's really technically.
Technically, the police. Police for Swa. Almost 7 years. And they mean Swa. And Obi Bia so will be said, for a castle father, I got a castle here. For Obi a castle now for police, everybody will tell you that castle is not dead.
One of the times I gospel.
Was it?
Was that a story if you as a Mojan Mohobana?
And you know, but everybody who have information, will tell you that the man is not dead.
Or more cansati.
I need to be some. It's their problem. And
but who's his own way?
Maybe see on we.
No way.
Who is some way? Some police for.
I was a lawyer, Maurice Ampaw. Lawyer with a swag. As a Mojan, so your lawyer.
Oh, what him Obeka said,
we are attention
can be me than say because me lawyer because of say me tata no. But the lawyer
no tata now tata.
They be mean tata no.
Problem got here lawyer say as someone according the girl.
They be mean tata no. Now who say me can kware no be challenge me. Then you provoke me to say more. Jerebandu man be attack us as a no kum. And we may say, Mumagana for what actually happened. And Sarah Cobra Sambino for 1 year. Let me tell you so. How did Sarah Cobra? Sarah Cobra go whom lawyer before the Ahmed. Say, Niasamaja Mayini. Now, I am a Lucia Madame for offer me Lampa. Who are him so? Mimi be bay. When I say, down so ma area mo. No, so no case be a girl be a but case me to be pursued because of the one. Into the case, one catch him say as a major case. I'm sorry for case in brass. Who am senior? And many girl this shine now, so now can him say, hey, as a major again.
Now what kind of story?
Certainly because of Castro issue, no. Well, I said, we don't have a problem with Castro.
Okay.
And you know, wherever we say, sister, tell me first if he's coming from Azawaja camp. Was I was suspicious? I don't know why me. I didn't Castro as a young came here. Now, Saturday as a major repay back. Let me say, my friend. No, so lawyer and patrol. See, Massam. Also, assembly. No, ye. Phone. WhatsApp messages. And then pictures of a Samaja Neono. And I believe you. When me tell me can WhatsApp message, I say, Jesus.
Again, not something saying.
Not something say. Or 13 February or for the following day, or Valentine Day, to call a party kakla. Or do Westimo area no, Nasamaja mo Bobo STC area mo. Into Ochumunda, Samaja manager, out of him Yabua, and him Ado. A friend no, nice lady come. That's Samaja mo Bobo. And again, no, coin no.
Sasamaka, the one who
no, and him Ado ne Hungano. No friend no. Together by no can say, oh, a nice girl. Na captain person unya in Como. Na again say, captain person. Oh, you saw the word. I'm afraid, Asamajan, the king.
The king.
We're friend the king.
Okay.
So I will say, the king want to talk to you. And again, we say, who is the king? I say the captain of the blaster. And again, no, by our nature, it's like obi person no kasa. No so no koto mutu zafi no aba. Enti o koto mutu zafi no. And Sammy and him trying to call back to Sukata Samaja as a Charlie. Girl be able.
They open it.
Oh, nice girl be able to my friend Amau. And then boys. Oh, I said, so what buy no na. Only bar for Jan. And the two drivers in Macho Men, Omudi, Omuchi. No more ni get what sport be around. No catch again and say, only someone Jan gets so far. No say well. Over be any new building now what no. Yes. Now again no that the woman no again so or is to decoration but of course this so when the remember that contract no why sir decoration mama it yes staging numbers no more staging numbers it after staging of numbers no I feel there again so or say enim ye boa enim adon ko si girl no na again so beto na tako so no you ko si no ti girl no o tempo pena o tu kana so so e tu kedi omochi and the four confrontive nature ti girl say o realize o do fear na so so do fear obi no so mo penso and they all walked into the sitting room. The sitting room na metra ho no. They started chatting. Chatting mu na omo maka nia excuse you. Asawaja. Tiga na chat Asawaja catch and so open asem long chat.
To bring a long
shot no get catch and say and Asawaja can say enumere obekọ Dubai. Into person again pie enumere na get say okay time. Omo say 7. The 7 no mu no omo agree no na get catch so and opese okọ washing up because dem okoto we often say more no wie already often say ne bedroom eyi no no na Asawaja tu no
na Asawaja wo fear
I not tell asaso
again story new
no
okay
that's the story of this guy. That's what is in court and that's what I had on video evidence most of us when him say what's up to me doctor yes the chat
Asawaja's
chat in the
triumphant entry into that girl's bedroom no
yes
na a video
there be na girl no ya ayaba any mame a fee ababa go twice into no omo the city camera share room won to opia na when laptop no or record it into mobile no na onim say something happen girl no the boy man chair and Asawaja so enen kwa na buy only 4 boys 5 boys na buy and nobody sees a girl one day and want to make laugh especially the captain to the girl no the onim say BBC kwa na e bia enuma ya wo obema na pie no that is where okoye na side
to call them one now
call them now naked and again say I tell like say when maybe was and John my sorry I know why I say tata stone mu na get so a slim girl o stone mu no what 20 and say
the captain here no
yes that's the story me girl na this
video there na
me can't be tell what the girl said now what proof
a video
yes video no since the camera
but they are so son in say no
yes see the camera yes and get the story no and after the act no baby Asawaja who chire no here after the act na opa again no chono then all kono no start so on again na chat
well I say you go so ye cheche contempt be anche
dabi contempt am say once in take size make what happened contempt they say who conclude say
okay evidence o
there be no evidence me ma narration of what happens
but na court no so hwe de gina
baby court no is not moved by what I'm saying here me mbu no for here who be something what happened
okay
but because say he is guilty
okay
and so come yeah me think they see that it's not contempt I say we should contempt law no contempt you have the right to tell what happened but when you prejudice who you say yes that's to make sure get the story how it happened Asawaja too want the story but he has not come out with the story
again the case in say Asawaja repo no
on fa na chin ni and on yem that's the case
the chin problem na nyem no
and the case
na akosi sen
say we court case no judge domahene judge domahene for say Judge Mensa we General Judicial 3 High Court case no as we speak right now I'm a judge no crack say he's so comfortable hearing the case in CC 3 times a judge naka but Asawaja mba court in the land be jina mu man entino
musician no mboko ediara na asem
yeah ediara be na be ediara be they have to come and let's sit down because nobody want to destroy anybody no me
the son uncle for kasasa de no a bad personality level between you and
no your personality you see when you do that it's obi nye bibi no so ya it's a curse on you obi to be kun spiritually. That is why me dance and my dance said, "Now Tony, you are a spiritualist. My young man, call. Yes,
on phone.
I've done him on media. I've called the lawyer. But I can say I'm ready. Maybe you could Sony, but I'm ready to follow him to the Anthony.
Say on fire again, no.
You know, only be na on fire again. I'm in Ampaw. DBCBNC. No, so on fire again.
Why were you so sure? Was it because of your video? No, and I said, girl.
It's because apart from video, no, the text messages was so crucial. I would say we can doctor video like there's Photoshop. It means I don't rely too much on pictures and video, but me text still. Untwin doctor messages. It is the message of Asamoah with the girl conversation, where everything shows clearly. Your phone, then you understand what I'm talking about.
Ah, interesting. Our court. I don't want us to.
Yes, so
Muntie 3 for us and advice. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, so
yeah, me just tell about the free President Mama. Maybe full NDC for because before say, how can you lawyers of NDC munko court na munko argument ni awie na ko patcho na judge who say ade ankofo ni ye ne enye yi they can apologize no crano they were hurt by the conduct of President Mahama and the Attorney General. Say ya threaten o man say a criminal case but this man so invite to no boom ko no one ye ye just so person save ye hone afro mu na mo buy am say maka say okay ade anka ye 10 years because you charge him of threat of death any rape attempted rape who threat will be so be rape now is a serious offense. One come 10 years a felony
minimum.
Yes, a felony. But I told you to protect you into that aspect. No, the who watch here, the judges were said that they were sad. So the general of all people, they don't take up the matter. Now, my can be just okay. We nipa. My for matter yan chuma soa. Enti mun tria this amount na mun komu 4 months. Minya. And these lawyers no we upon a petition. I come up president read mama say and all could in now you later. Everybody, free them muntie. That is for the team wedding. Release them. Yambreye. That was the song of NDC. Nipa menu pe. Tonilita, president lawyer, who came out to condemn, said it's dangerous. Any offenders, even Chambers, these are the two people who dissented. Omekenya said, hey, they agreed. President Mama Koka, I'll say, oh, my consulting councils of states. So what has happened? Omujomo. Omujomo, and then me Yanu Christ, me feel were really good opposite. Eti bra, yebe jomo, now I saw it coming. Because the people were minimum to bet.
So we call hunger strike.
Say me call hunger strike. No muso na asase e na hye me no. Omo say
okoy.
Me koy. Minimum ku bi nsuo.
Ah. No say call hunger strike.
Na hunger strike na me nya de. Ba cho tobo. Ghana suba ye wo mu yi. Na me jam ye funu a. Ma me num su go pu nsuo.
Well, we legal brain. No crese the executive no influence the judiciary.
Because we need evidence to support. But most of the times, no, because you favor in appointment and promotion, no, at times you allow some of these things to happen. But I don't have evidence to explain, say, yeah, there's direct attack, there's a direct influence. No. But we can see, say, because the appointment, you know, comes from the presidency, you know, the executive seems so strong and powerful. And Ghana, no, no pray to me. Ya kotokuto no. Ya som no. They said na do abayi. Obi eni wa opeso kan wansem bone. Because of to me. Obi appoint wo. Obi to my contract. Obi to my sister wa brabo. And everybody is trying to please him. Everybody wants to be in his good book. Everybody wants to catch the eyes of the president. And about the you compromise because whatever is the truth, whatever is true, untumi can't channel. And you know, it's the same way. The executive law is made up of MPs. Almost MPs almost a majority. Most of the times, president come. So the influence is there.
There seems to be almost similar case. Meaning, so difference, not Delta Force.
I was so mad at Delta Force because I thought, say, the girl now play back what NPP, led by President Akufo-Addo, said on Muntie issues. The way they are communicated this, I'm lawyers. Hey, this is an attack on the judiciary. No. To the sense, say, I remember the IT General Secretary said we will campaign against the NDC on that one. So, a shock, mommy. Say, when a sitting judge, you call the court, now you call it immediately no. Na judge dey dwane. Na you back catch the same judge as a judge. I didn't see any evidence. It who judge no. The question I ask, who are judge? Once the judges they don't talk, how will you feel? And the judge make say, hey, say go for kumia. Na come call ya. Sana Ghana for catch him say you need evidence. So I was shocked, say, NPP lawyers are almost no believe in rule of law. Nanado is a champion of rule of law. Now NDC regime, no, the judiciary came under so many attacks. Who watch here? So many ways of killing attack cat. The current Chief Justice petition from NDC camp against us on resign because he compromising home Muntie issue. The judiciary was not safe under NDC. There were so much attack. So I thought say the judiciary will be very safer. Then you can see what is happening with Delta Force issue. The way out now to the sense Attorney General say I minimum be. And Director of Public Position say minimum be. Then they say the tiny state attorney no.
Oh no.
Can you imagine in the rural areas, any district, which means that the center is not holding, which means that systems are not working. Because the power of non-prosecution, Emma Attorney General to me say, or to me decide this obey your case against you, or your case against you. No, it's being exercised by state attorneys. Most of them, some of them are corrupt. And it's a 1 billion Ghana cedis. Una waya meda, no I enter non-prosecution. Ebia, the headquarters in him. It's a serious issue. It's a serious issue. What do I say? And
as a lawyer, say the sort of politicians in Ghana, it depends on positions, and now we differently, and our positions so I see it from a different angle.
And the hypocrisy of politicians, they are not trustworthy, they are unprincipled, they are vampires, they are people who are not true to themselves. They came not to serve us, they came to exploit us, they came to enrich themselves, they came to change their circumstances and their status in life, and they lie to us.
Now, why would the judiciary allow itself to be lied to by the executive?
No, judiciary is non-partisan. They are there to administer justice on behalf of the people. And to the case bar, they resolve it. They don't bring cases. Yes, they resolve it. And to know what they do to the judiciary is that the executive bring weak cases. And then they have the power under the non-prosecutorial power to withdraw. And to judge, you are handicapped. This case is a judge can't be full. The power of the Attorney General by applying non-prosecutorial and we can.
But as Attorney General, the statement about what is so many.
Yes, but I'm calling on civil society. I'm prepared to take up the matter. Say this non-prosecutorial power it's a cake. Because why should we have a state officer, public officer, when he's acting on our behalf? You know, the entity takes decision. He's not accountable to anybody. He's not transparent on how he uses that power. Don't you see that it's against the Constitution? Don't you see that it's violating the provisions, the spirit of the Constitution? We need to take up this matter. See if lawyers take up the matter of bail. You're discriminating, no? You're too much man. No possible power, no. You must Attorney General to be accountable to the people. Say, prosecutor. You who the reason why prosecutor. And the prosecutor, on chair as here. All the as here. Because they said, they say, Attorney General Pawasama. Oh, Asawaja same case, maybe Asawaja case. Asawaja, get look your complaint, say, what upon. Attorney General at that time, say, on your interested. That's what I could try to get no person extorting money. Say, again, in their court. And you see, why Attorney General decide to prosecute one, the other one no prosecution, and he doesn't give reasons. It be said at a press conference, let me provoke no. Me provoke Mama Martha Brew. Say he dare, only power to free. Now me provoke no. Just
the Attorney General then.
Yes, then. I was provoking her to come and give reasons. One year. Because the law allows him not to give reasons. It is a same way. Say, carry the authority and pay sema. Me want some bar. Or some follow up and or Casadodo. Or my home toy. Now, say, one up was some say no protocol. Me, I'm not interested. Now, you just because that's the law. Is that what we voted for? Sovereignty belongs to the people. Say, 2 million dia. Who is the Attorney General to exercise power and not explain his conduct and his actions to the people? Do you use the Constitution to enslave us and you tell us that power belongs to us? And then you tell us that you came to serve. Look, it's high time. Say, young, the ordinary Ghanaians, young politicians who say, 2 million more dia, 2 million dia, they came to borrow. Over power to their mom. It is a ye be been a casamuntie. And the person don't power some no count as them. Obe power some no count. It is more much president one. Post ni appointment in Tino. More chance I be ye. Ye nana do ye, oye, or the no yes, I know ye. Boss moody didn't mean. Or I say, into the oye. Now, 2020 will do what? Near beside whether say a young man Ghana for and a young man appointed and appointed.
Well, now a yema on my Ghana say about a tono last year, no, ever since.
Hey, Sanka, Mefi Ghana. Meet me, President Mama Mumu. Ye Ghana for Yansisa. And can me changing me nationality one time. Because now President Mama ni endisi for no.
So 8 years journal.
8 years journal. That's a count with nya.
I know you're lying. Now what it is, and
then the matiti, the midi menu, and then the midi maswati, and then the air cosumia. 8 years I end this better so. Minister Samuel school. I mean, my yellow ended for 16 years old. I don't know do so, and then after me. I don't know do so, but not later. Or I'm a junior, junior. But me real law school, no, or so was legal. And then me to be found companion.
If I dear who?
Well, cash I would do so one.
I don't be in the bank account, Joe.
They be, then 2% what's your bank account?
They
be only. Oh, I thought the problem I want to say more per se. I said, my, I want to do so. When you say, NDC, Obia on your put me the same way. Back for better so. You go for any more. They have got money, not come in account. Many men are so good sukula. Property say not come here, you may be here. Oh, they say. So people, maybe if you want to make money, go politics. As of dear politics, and a chronobo, and who a country. Yeah, best celebrity kofua. Those we honor, those we say they are influentials are the thieves, the corrupt people, the second people, the rich one. We don't care how you make the money, but the moment you make the money and you are driving the Porsche cars and you exhibit them, some people are exhibiting amount for we know.
Revealed.
Now you see successful. See, success is how many cars you have. Success is how many houses you have. Yes, we don't care. So Kumobi, so we are here. So we don't care. And you know,
whose responsibility is it? Say, Lawyer Ampaw, to say we school, we've been practicing for 16 years. Near me, 16 years, and then Abrabawa Bodia, and name and talent. You see, who are practicing lawyer now? Who practice Ghana? Second way. Who clients of $1 $2 million so. Yes. And you know, we need British Canada to know legal cancer. Maybe facing this trial. You did your balances. Because who did the British your froster? Your lawyers are engaging fraud, forgery. Your lawyers are almost declared. Your lawyers are almost a second for your back. Your lawyers are almost criminals. Because they want to make quick money.
Motiana Mama Ghana ye car will driving determine your success. That one determine your success. It's better than youth no. On my person me pursue education. Me come manu school open day. Open day. Me koya me ko jina osana. Na kwalani ni address code. Na bibisa me ba boy. Maurice, what do you want to be? A footballer. I want to be like a Samajan. Sano ka kire me. Me ba boy no.
Na no ni say oni Samajan.
They be no ni. Parce what Samajan he enti no. Ono ana me bag here say I want to be that president Mahama.
Obano.
Obano. Ana nkwala ni no. Me be say no bia I want to be we were calling politicians. They were calling na me be say teacher say teacher. Enti wo teacher dey nkwala yi obi ni wa owo confidently no chande say minia dey ati win you akwale bi ni wa o can say I want to be a teacher because so teacher na bra bona we for say ni kwadu kakra bi awada ba teacher ni pon o come dey the teacher no I be no person teacher o dey say they said the exhibit word say you for say when you sika unye successful but we say success no if you define success say obia we di no ho a what bra sebi o wa sunje peace of mind work with peace work sika wa o da no wa da sika wa everyone say yaudeni like God man with sika on adi pain and sorrow that is money that is success. What do I say? My name is
we are successful.
Serious. More than the word successful. More than the word successful. Dabi, and Sika. We want the nimu enyonyam. Me are credible. What do I say? It be both fear. O me dwane edi. Me go kuma say am into aduane. You me da hotel free. Yes. It no unya favor. Then the man is successful. Money. Money. What is money? Money without integrity. Money without honesty is no money.
But because society didn't question baby will be wealth free, and you know.
Yes, I'm saying that those who have wealth, no, say over papa soon now wealth now. We are successful because over papa so. What do I say? And a life also so. And how much of money are you? Life is all about titles. Everyone titles. Professor, life is a titles and your professors and doctors no, but this time no be acquainted. But question no bromo bre. Your professors no only who. Life is about contribution.
It's not about what you get.
Yes. It's service to humanity. First, life is about service. And the title, oh, your doctor. Now, doctor, no fun service humanity. Your doctor is meaningless. And life is all about possession. And the moment we say, who possess it, if you don't contribute, your possession will be meaningless. Yes. Messi died. Me what died, you know. Only said died me 10 years ago. But when me refuse question more die.
Who see now nyai?
Me toy.
Okay.
Me turn out right. What do I say? Now, I told me refuse question me what die. And how many people name say na what die? But my contribution. There million the bomb mine me the mom me no.
See kakra
Me you know. And nebema am for kai.
Well, what kind of father are you?
Oh, Maureen and Maurice, Mufan Cheme. I'm not the best.
Oh, what are you?
I'm not the best because I think my passion is driving me more away from the home. If you're now 1 week, 1.5 weeks, now my money home here.
I'm from saying.
I'm from me, daddy. Obano from me, daddy. No, Obama from me, Maureen. What do I say? Hey. And you know, I think my children know they need more of me, but most of the time so I'm always on the move.
Children put in your wife, you nyakesi.
Wife, they nyakesi kra because wife, they are not too soon home. You're born come because I'm on the move. Me case one, I'm a me combine me law practice with me NGO no.
What do you go
yes, everybody go through here, me advocacy, me win. Now in a day. Me more about 50 cases from the young girls, the boys about sexualities and the problems. Hey, my memo, my Ghana also. What do I say? What's up? And the issues. And to be combined those things in Ghana. Me fia crap me kokota no. We 3 divorce cases. I'm a friend say 1 to 10:30. To be fair, pena me you win the pet. Na ma me beep. Na ma you win. Na ma me black coat.
Now you need na so na say ta ye judgment ho NGO adwuma no bibie no na pese o relax ya. We understand. Me chile papa. No girls.
They be many girls. Me pay girls chilling. And yes, I can about me scandal. My child did 5 universities. Me Canada.
So yes, scandal say bia.
Say scandal say what tie man say man na obenya. And na you record di. Won say and na a man record the video, you know. We your be man, we your baby. Na me record wo.
And you na wusu na say.
And yes, me slow, but me no. Oh. When you occupy yourself, Bema no Ejama start if you watch him. One one was so many problems. I been now
Ujani. Baby, I say be a Kumasi didn't hold an attack. I didn't baby.
Oh, they be need time for those things. I may come in him. My be a bread, my bread. What does it?
Why you be a bread?
Oh, now you see the Obama being be that. Obama you be that. Yamina yosa. Some life you are way 1 or 2 things life. But they do tell me who you know jai.
I say we any Maurice Ampaw, very controversial, but TV so go radio so. Someone else some problem. I say,
a man don't feel me. But if you make a say, "Grandma, be feeling me." You will feel if you have I'm feeling me too, Lawyer Ampaw. Oh, I'm feeling me too. I'm a woman.
How do you move,
they be because me pay myself.
There's someone who's you. Eti, some na nam ko show baby. No catch him say Maurice Ampaw me guy me gas obwa.
Obwa, can you say obwa? Many girl bia. I don't easily fall in love. I don't believe in the word love.
Why?
I've learned, say, the only person to love is your God and to trust. 100%. So I've given my love and my trust to my God. 100%. My wife, Mama no. My wife, Mama no. 60% of my love.
60%.
60%.
2 weeks free and 60%.
60% na me da mano.
Na me say 2 weeks now free.
60%. And na in Kuala no so more 20. Oh dey say. Na me de 10 ama me mama.
Okay.
Na for the 10 or me de chill.
In one statement, say Obi Busa say who is Maurice Ampaw?
Oh, one statement Ampaw as at now no e yellow in here. Oye odi me hiafo me ka me hiafo na at the same time so no me kire my dream asem no se na city bia no me ka so a me ka no kware wum and if so no me so passionate about justice achim for no say so bantie be me feel me achim and e kwapem me fa da fi kukuntumi
okay
na ma da fi amonokrum eti achim ne kwapem no a combine achim actually sisi that is another mixture I speak my mind and I don't care because obi ntumi nyame hwe obi ntumi nyame hwe because of my inspiration was see nyame onim no nyame onim no opa me no o dey say o wie no opa me no o se mi ko ye adwuma e na me ye no no see edwuma o ye no you bet that out. Why you to me? Almost over sorry tiao. Why you to me? Oh, there's a challenge is Nebiba. Oh, look, my challenge is plenty. My challenge number one worry not 10 years soon to me. Now charge was universities. Now get see I'm 2 shapes and then I'm with him. Now we're into me. Number 2, an accident. So maybe accident.
Oh yeah, it was
fatal accident. Me can somersault 8 times. Satam no na uso bempa bomedua. Yes.
Uso bempa.
Bomedua because of some issue. Okay. I said that me take some in na danfo. So you go if I catch me say me go gina court na me can say me trash. And me can say uso bempa. Me go court and pay. But say me go court. Na me trash here. Me jam nyame me som no na me som nyame. But say me go court na me go kasa wie. Na me trash here. We jam nyame. Na me go court. That's some jam case. Me a fresh case no na me sorry me say my lord. Also for be say me do me back court me kasa me trash. Until me jira. Me ka judge no say. Na me hear me case ni me wie pen na me trash. Na me dey follow me. Na me follow to be papa me so we papa. Ja onya me na be so me nyame. How na ohun say na oh lawyer Ampaw madamfo so that Maurice Ampaw madamfo onim na o tie ndi nem o tie voice no radio so ba do hu no ye
what for saying
because onya case wo circuit court am ko boa no na lawyer so madamfo na e wo circuit court na me lawyer do kan am sorry ka bi ma no na ye ka issue and me no Maurice Ampaw ye say ye ha mo any ye ni akra it of madamfo it ye bo lawyer I don't know him say me but he hears on radio. And you know, this lawyer talk on my media for to be bad in Chebek so lawyer was on the top. In Chasso. I'm inviting man sorry.
Now koi.
Oh yes. Then koi. I'm kind of say time so me.
So na bibi show mu.
They be bibi show mu. My pen asem. Because once I approaching me na ye can no asem no. And ka accident be nyai no, na ga say me was me carry some so 8 times. But that time no na me to nyum bi. Because me gospel songs in there no, me to kwaya me to boko me to na nyum no e boy na kan tie no pie. E pie na me du de bia okodu o fe say bechem. O say bisi ase bechem wo side no. Bon wa ha na bon wa. Me kan pie no. E na twe me. Na mistake me say me need driving experience because na pie na get say me tia break.
And you tear there.
And me go tear break. You me shame me because I say a two bomb. It be boom. Me chini na me tear break no. Me tear break no. And I train me ba opposite lane. It is like a car be back when say anka. I train me your bonu mu say no. One. Na onim. I to me say na me car papers ni me tires ni bibia no. To me lucky na me sit bed. Na me bo nyumbi nyami kokru kowusru unu kwari timoda yebe yiwaye no uni alpha ni omega asasi lari me na ebo enti na nyum no entwaye na minim se mepra was the forest thick forest mu e bu mi enti mi se mepra but who dey mean because na me say I'm safe in a safe bed and I'm not let God pam.
Nothing happened.
Nothing happened.
Yeah, then I say, I was for you come on the head there, and so yeah, Breno, etia. The bon common be a very interesting one. Lawyer Maurice Ampaw. Or nicknames me and son.
Yes. What's up? Experte. Equality before the law.
What's up? Experte. Equality before the law.
KJ. For me, chap brother mo ade university no. For me KJ.
Yo. On go for nicknames, but and we say nickname be out the buy.
Yes.
O court into the region ha. Na court. So we for na say da akoso yan e be si ha na nyame boa yatoa so dan kwama bi. But obi bia say Alhaji Rocks be that say by Global Investment Company Limited nyame on kan ho. And Madam Fu Johnson Kofi Asiedu who Ashton Kumasi who do birthday, happy birthday to you. Madam production team na say nyame boa e china so ye besa e hia. Ti nyame on kam ho na on tina ni muchem. Bye bye.
Great for you.